Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make the SKYBOBby Perfect Watermelon Martini. It is almost springtime and you don't want to be caught with the apple martini, so stay tuned. In order to make the watermelon martini, you will need a couple of things. You will need a shaker, a club to crush the watermelon, and a strainer. If you don't have a strainer, you can always just use a household strainer. You want chilled martini glasses, ice, vodka. You can use your favorite vodka. I like to use the Smirnoff watermelon flavor, but you can use without the flavor, or you can use like circoc. You will need 4 ounces of that, 1 ounce of Malibu rum, 1 ounce of simple sugar. If you don't have simple sugar, it's just water even with sugar. You melt it and you'll get simple sugar. And lime juice, a couple of squirts, and of course a personal size watermelon, about a half size for 2 martinis. Put in your watermelon. I'm making 2 martinis, so I'll put about half of this in here. Put in your vodka. Now I like a strong one, so I'll probably put a little bit more than you should, but 4 ounces should be enough. One ounce, just to give a little kick, of the pineapple Malibu. You can use coconut as well. And you don't have to use the simple syrup. I like to use it because I like mine sweet, but if you want to save 80 calories, you can skip the simple syrup, but just 1 ounce of that, just to give it a little syrup. And then a little sour, a couple squirts of lime juice. And you put your ice in. Ice is important because you want to chill the watermelon so you'll have like more of a refreshing, because you don't want any ice in your martini glass. And you just crush. Smell the fresh watermelon. I like to stir it as well. Make sure you get all the ingredients in there before you shake it. Shaking, not stirring. Then you take out the ice out of the chilled martini glasses. Garnish with the watermelon. Shake it. Shake it for a good 30 seconds. Make sure that the ice gets really cold. And then you can use a strainer, but we'll use just a normal household strainer for this one. Make sure I get all the pulp out of it. There you have it. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. The perfect SKYBOBby Watermelon Martini. This is one of my best ones. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you also want more recipes, check out my other YouTube channel, making a apple martini or a margarita for Taco Tuesday. If you like this video, make sure you like it down below. If you're new to my channel, welcome to SKYBOBby TV. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and share the video. Right now I'm going to my rooftop and drink my misery away. Bye girl, bye.